Are you a garage door service specialist looking for new customers? Imagine a new way to triple your new customer base who are already searching online to get help from a local specialist to solve their creaky, poorly functioning garage door problems and issues. It sounds simple, but it's not always easy. Here's how we learned this the hard way. We were busy. Too busy. Busy taking care of our existing clients, just like you. And while we worked diligently, we were letting potential new leads, business owners who needed us desperately, slip through our fingers. By the time we returned their calls, we'd hear the same thing. Thank you, but we found someone else. We suspected we had a problem but didn't know how big it was until we calculated the revenue we lost, thousands of dollars, gone. These weren't just missed calls, they were missed opportunities, missed revenue. So we found a solution that ensures no lead is ever left waiting, or ignored and lost. It works while you focus on what you do best, helping your customers get the best solutions to what they need while growing your business. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia, and at callstobooked.com, we help garage door services like yours recover lost revenue and connect with customers for far less, boosting customer satisfaction, leading to better reviews, more efficiency, and recapping lost revenue. Use our calculator to see how much you lose in a year and how you can transform your business with a simple solution. Connect on LinkedIn and request calculator or send email calculator to see how much you can increase your revenue.